Anything new in my inbox?
You have one new mail and one call from Caroline Lang.
Okay, please call Caroline.
Hello, David. How are you?
Hi, Caroline. Fine, thanks.
Thanks for returning my call. I was calling about our campaign we were talking about last time. I sent you an email with the 2 possible headline press pictures. Is it possible for you to take a look at them right now?
Sure, I'll switch us to video call. I'm in auto mode now. All right, I see your content. I guess option 1 would be a better fit for our main efficiency strategy.
I think so too. I'll talk to the team and we'll move on with this. Thanks.
We should go for lunch when I'm back in Munich next week. I see Thursday could work.
It does. Great, looking forward to it. And good luck for your meetings.
Thank you.
David, there's traffic ahead. To keep your estimated arrival time, I suggest leaving the highway at exit 5 for an alternative route downtown.
Okay. Thank you. See you later.
I will be back here and pick you up at 11.